checklist some stuff?
What's that?
Let's checklist. I already filed out paleo.
What do you use for your in-flight navigation?
Garmin Pilot.
There's a new one that AOPA started right now.
Oh, really? Clear prop!
Hey, you got me?
Yep.
Sweet.
Got me?
I hear you
Yep.
really well, yeah.
Okay, cool.
Let me get my Bluetooth paired here so that I can call Potomac Approach. Oh, brakes. So these alleyways are clearly tight.
Yeah.
Maryland traffic, fits 5 Mike Sierra, entering downwind runway 20 Maryland.
Maryland traffic, Cirrus 385 Sierra Romeo, we're getting ready to depart runway 20 Maryland. We're good to go. Pitts, is it okay if we get out before you?
Sure, go ahead.
Maryland traffic 385 Sierra Romeo departing runway 20 Maryland. Yeah, we got plenty of space for him.
Yeah.
You ready to go?
Let's do it.
Flaps are down. We went through the checklist. We got a big freaking runway in front of us. Got a bird in the middle of the runway. Coming for you, bird.
Yeah, he's not gonna.
Yeah. All right, full power. Airspeed's alive. And 70.
Maryland traffic, fits 5 Mike Sierra, base runway 20 Maryland.
Flaps coming up. So the one thing we have to make sure here is just to not bust the Bravo.
Yeah. What is
It's
it
25 here.
25, yeah.
Approaching from the northwest, just passing through 3,000 to 1,000. 7 miles from the airport, setting up for runway 24. This will be a full stop.
Maryland traffic 3850 Romeo departing the area to the east. And then the one thing you want to do is bring back the power a little bit right after takeoff on this thing because it's not made to.
Warrington traffic, Skyline 06 Romeo is now 6 north, setting up for a straight in.
Potomac Approach, Cirrus 3850 Romeo, 1,000 feet just off Maryland.
Cirrus 3850 Romeo, Potomac departure. Your transponders reserved, remain outside the Bravo airspace, Washington altimeter 3019er.
3019er, and any chance I can get a Bravo clearance to Cape May?
Let's see, November for Cirrus 50 Romeo. What's the requested altitude and the destination identifier?
Requested altitude would be 5,500, and Whiskey Delta is where we're going.
Cirrus 50 Romeo, roger, ident.
50 Romeo, identity.
50 Romeo, radar contact 2 miles southeast. Whiskey 5 Airport, watch altimeter 3019er, clear the Bravo airspace by maintain 4,500.
50 Romeo up to 4,500 cleared into the Bravo. Sweet. Nice. Let's go up.
Potomac, good morning, reach 826 Tango.
I mean, look how clear it is.
Runway
All right.
Breach 826 Tango Heavy, Potomac departure, radar contact.
Okay, up to 4,500, and now we just go flight director, autopilot, GPSS.
Southwest 1276, 5000, climbing via the column tree.
50 Romeo, amend altitude and climb and maintain 3,500.
50 Romeo, 3,500.
Southwest 1276, Potomac departure, turn right, proceed direct to Bach, COOK, climb maintain, flight level 190.
I turn direct Bach up to level 190, Southwest 1276.
Alright, so I just basically flying GPS, told it vertical speed and altitude, and we'll just climb us to 35.
The guy
Good
over
morning,
here.
Southwest
Yeah, I see
139, 22, just
He's
gonna be a Raven.
he's the heavy coming out of Andrews.
Reach 826 Tango Heavy, climb maintain 4,000.
Maintain 4,000, reach 826 Tango Heavy.
Reach 826 Tango Heavy, proceed direct Quantico.
I mean,
Okay.
look at that guy.
Going to Quantico, right?
Confirm.
Direct, proceed direct.
Direct Quantico, reach 826 Tango Heavy.
That is awesome.
It's like putting us pretty close to this guy.
Freaking giant C-17 right above us.
Yeah.
Oh, that is so cool.
Traffic, 7 o'clock.
Oh, thanks.
Less than
Yeah.
1 mile.
Yeah. Appreciate it.
Thanks for letting us know.
Over summer, 739.
I mean, he was just going to Quantico, so
Is that where he was going?
yeah. Let's see if we can get slowed down here. 119 is our first notch.
Yeah.
$80 is what we do. Our final.
Cape May County traffic, lane turning left crosswind, 28 Cape May County.
Ocean City traffic, 41724 on a 45 for a right downwind, runway 6, Ocean City. I'm correction, 24 Ocean City.
Cape May traffic, Sierra 3850 Romeo turning, almost turning final runway 19, Cape May. Where is this other woman?
Cape May County traffic, Skylane is turning left downwind, 28 Cape May County.
She should be over there then, right?
Traffic, 10 o'clock. Low, 1 mile.
Skyline, where are
There, there, I see her. Oh no, that's
Just
not her.
turn left downwind for 28.
2-8.
You should be fine landing on 19.
Taylor County traffic.
Alright, 350 Romeo, we're turning final right now for runway 19.
Alright.
Why is she flying 18 is the question. Or 28, I mean.
Yeah, I'll extend my downwind out to make sure you're clear in plenty of time.
Ocean City traffic, 41724, right downwind, runway 24, Ocean City.
Five Sierra Romeo is on a 3-mile final runway 19, Cape May. Propeller, like, literally makes you drop out of the sky.
500.
There she is.
Oh yeah, I got her.
Ocean
City traffic, 41724, turn in right base, runway 24, Ocean City.
Yeah, Skylane is gonna fly a full pattern, so left base and then an upwind for 28.
Ocean City, New Jersey traffic, Cessna is about 8 miles northeast of the field, descending for right 45 for 24, Ocean City.
And Skylane is turning an upwind for 28, and I see the landing traffic.
KMA traffic, 3850 Romeo, we're going to cross 28 and clear.
Loud and clear.
How's it going? Good, how are you?
Good. How was your flight in?
Really nice.
Are you just here for the day then?
Yeah, just for the day.
Alright.
And we'll get 60 gallons.
You want 60? Are we topping off both sides then?
Not topped off.
Per side?
Yeah, 30 per side if possible. How was the flight?
Excellent. Well done.
Made it to Cape May, now we go to the beach and then we'll fly back. So let's cut to the beach.
So we bike around looking for these Pokemon all over the city. Get them outside. Get them some exercise. Otherwise, it's fucking bad.
I'm sure.
They would rather just sit in front of the TV if they all the